Hey guys, are you ready for another lemon themed sweets treat? Faux sweet treat. What you're going to need is your acrylic caulking, and I got this at Walmart and it was a couple dollars. I'm using ping pong balls from the Dollar Tree and these lollipop sticks, which were from Hobby Lobby, and I'm using the yellow color, and then a styrofoam, anything to hold these when they're done so they can dry, and then the sprinkles that I made from the Sculpey. I have a video on that, and I'm going to use white because I'm using yellow. I'm going to make the caulking yellow. So let's get started. This is extremely fast, very fast. So you're just going to put some of your caulking into your container. You've got to get enough in there. Takes a few minutes. So what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to waste your time watching this, but I'm going to put this in here and then put some yellow paint. When I get the paint into here mixed up, then I'll come back. So I have a little bit in here. I'm going to add some paint. They're cute little cake pops, and you can make these for any holiday. I'm going to mix this up. Put a little more. Got to have kind of a strong hand, and when it's cold it's harder to get out, and it's been raining here. A little bit more. I don't think it's going to take a whole lot to cover these, but if it does, I have more. Okay. All right, let's see how this looks. And these are just brushes that, I got a huge pack for like $1, I think it was. Whoop. You really don't want to get this on. This has got silicone in it, so I'm just going to use this to spread it, I think. Really hard, isn't it? But when you're done, they'll think you have cake pops. If you used a popsicle stick or a tongue depressor, that would work well. Got to make sure to get it all covered. And I know I have plastic spoons somewhere and knives, but wouldn't you know it, right now, not thinking where I might have put them. That would have been very easy. But still, even with this small little paintbrush, it isn't taking me long. And the sprinkles really make it look authentic. And you can use styrofoam balls, but I had the ping pong balls, and I did not want to go out to the store to get something that I could use this and it would work just as well. I'm going to put that in there. It's not going to hurt. I found them. I just started thinking, where would I have put them? This will make it go much faster. I mean, I could have done that, but why? See? Sometimes the tool, it is worth getting more of a proper tool, you know. And I want to make sure it's covered enough. And you're going to want to put the sprinkles on right away. You don't want to wait. Okay. So now, and that's what you have the styrofoam for. I'm going to put them on this paper here so I can get them back up. So I hope you can see. Look at that little cake pop. How cute. The little sprinkles really make it look even more. I also have some, I was going to say wasabi, washi tape. And I might tape this because it has lemons on it. I'm going to just kind of smush those down a little bit. Ever so gently. Boy, there's going to be lemon everything in here, I'll tell you, for our lemon theme. Okay, so let's put that to dry. Let's do another one. And I'm just going to throw these away since I have many of them and I don't need them. This knife is going to work much better. And I will have to make more. I can already tell. And what I did is I just took a little, one of those skewers. These ping pong balls are so thin that I was able to poke just a tiny, tiny hole, just about to there. And then I just put this in because I didn't want it big where this would be moving around the lollipop stick. Kids like the pops from Starbucks, the cake pops. Be just enough for this one. I'm gonna have to put a little bit more in for the last one. Okay. One night when you're watching TV, you can get out your Sculpey and make your I just want to see how that works. You don't really want to do that because you don't want to get the silicone on your hands. You can make your sprinkles because these sprinkles really do make the faux desserts come to life. Okay, I'll be back when I'm done with all of these and show you what I do with them.